What was possible to be done on the 056 engine for 2011?
In 2011, the regulation is still prescribing that the engine is frozen. So every modification linked to performance is forbidden. But we had a good possibility to develop the engine for reduced costs and to improve reliability. For this, we have developed a new pneumatic system within the old head concept in order to front better high consumption problem that we had during the 2010 season. This season the KERS is introduced again, so the front part of the engine has been modified in order to drive the motor generator unit of the KERS. For this we have also modified a little bit the lubrication system and the cooling system to take into account the KERS presence.
You mentioned the comeback of KERS. What has changed in the KERS unit compared to 2009?
2011 regulation concerning KERS is exactly the same of 2009. So conceptually the KERS is very similar, but Ferrari had gained a lot of experience during 2009. So 2011 KERS is lighter, smaller, and more efficient than 2009. Anyway, all the development of KERS has been done within a strict budget control. We have been able to develop the KERS with a small amount of investment, and also operative costs have been reduced a lot. This will make easier to supply a second team.
In fact, KERS will be supplied also to the customer teams this year, which is different from 2009. Is this an advantage for Ferrari?
Having the chance to test your system in a customer team is always an advantage. You have to consider that we are speaking a small amount of units during the season, few units, less than 10 for the complete season, include this test before the season. So the chance to increase the number of tests and feedback from the track is clearly an advantage.
From the operational point of view, how did you prepare for the new season?
We have worked a lot, and we are still working a lot. This year, the introduction of KERS had made our season even more complex because the simulation on the long run is complex, having in the same time the gearbox, engine, and KERS. But we have worked a lot, we are still working, we are confident we will be ready in terms of reliability and performance at the beginning of the season.
Do you think that the combination KERS movable rear wing will make overtaking easier?
From a theoretical point of view, yes. We saw in 2009 that the KERS could introduce a little bit advantage, but not enough to guarantee overtaking. If we match the KERS extra performance and the reduction of drag linked to the rear wing, I think the difference in speed could allow overtaking easily.
From a very personal point of view, do you feel obliged to win this year?
Yes, obliged and inspired.